What's up? Welcome back to another video and a view into Huck's World. And yes, people, the weekend has arrived. I don't know what you got planned, but I hope it's something good, something fun, and something different. With that being said, let's go ahead. Let's kick off this review. Now, this one is coming from SzaZs, and you know, SzaZs always does a great job on digital watch faces. This one here is no exception. Now, the name of the watch face is called Active Sport. Now, in AOD mode, you are going to get a nice look for the Gears 3 and the Gears 2. There's going to be a small difference, but for the most part, it's going to look the same. You will get your digital time at a glance with no problem. Now, when the watch face is on, I do like that it gives you all the important information that's needed within any watch face. And this one here is nice. Now, what you're going to get your battery info right here in the meter, and then you're also going to get it in your percentage right there. And also, you're going to get how many weeks we are into the year. You come down, you will get the month, the date, the day of the week, things that are very important to most people. And also you're going to get a nice big bold digital time with animated seconds, which I love. That way I don't have to squint to see the time. And down at the bottom, which I love that these developers are doing, they're keeping all your step status info pretty much in one place. So you get your steps, you're going to get floors climbed, calories burned, and also your heart rate information. Now this meter down here represents your goal completed. So it lets you know exactly where you are so far as what goal you set for yourself and if you completed it or not. Now, you can customize the color theme of this watch face. There's so many different variations, and we're going to check it out right now. If I double tap right here, I could change the color theme for this side of the watch face, which I love. But check it out. You could do the same thing here. Then it changes the bottom. But I could tap right here, and I could customize the color just a little bit more, right, on that side. But check it out. I could do this, and it changes the top and the bottom. And also, as you guessed it, yes, you can change the time color theme as well. So I thought this was pretty good for a watch face if you wanted something to customize. So far as the colors are concerned, this one is definitely going to be the one. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. I hope you guys have the greatest weekend ever. Just be safe. And with that, hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.